Welcome to the Weather Guru podcast for Sunday, August 24th, 2025. Please hit that subscribe button on the way in and like button. We're going to be talking about the current watches, severe thunderstorm watches and warnings and flash flood warnings and watches in the lower 48 United States, courtesy of Radar Scope here. And right now we have a warning in New York's, in the upstate New York. This is over towards Cuyahoga, Oswego, and Wayne counties here, just off the lake here. And we have hail greater than 1 inch and went 60 mile an hour winds or 70 mile an hour winds. Right now, 70 mile an hour wind gusts and ping pong size hail. Severe thunderstorm is located over Jordan, New York, at 10 miles north of Auburn, New York, moving east at 35 miles an hour. This continues for north central Cuyahoga and central Onondaga counties until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So if you're in Syracuse, North Syracuse, Baldwinsville, New York State Fair, and those areas, Van Buren on the west side of Syracuse, this still in purple is producing a lot of hail. That big old hail core is heading your way in a little bit of rotation, but it's coming off the lakes here, producing lake enhanced rain elsewhere for places close to the lake like Oswego Township and Sterling. And those areas will continue as I zoom out here. You can see those are the two boxes in yellow there. Severe thunderstorm warnings for 70 mile an hour wind gusts and ping pong ball size hail picked up off the lake here, coming across some of these counties here west of Syracuse area, metro area here. So just something to keep in mind in New York. Now we head up west to Arizona. We have a severe thunderstorm warning there for Mojave County for 1 inch hail and 60 mile an hour winds here. And this one's out in the rural, very rural part here, close to the Four Corners area here. Matching up against St. George, Utah here. So just south into the Arizona border here, we have those severe storms in Mojave County that's producing some hail. Most of these storms are producing hail greater than 1 inch and winds up to 60 to 70 miles an hour on gusts. So we have in Kansas, same thing here. And this is in Kansas and Spearville. Just north and east of Dodge City, Kansas, toward Kingsley and Garfield. We have this severe storm warning for hail about almost up to 1 inch and 60 mile an hour wind gusts. So expect damage to roof trees and siding if you're in those areas. Kiowa counties, Hodgman County, Pawnee County, Stafford County, and Edwards counties. This is in 3:15 Central Daylight Time. Once again for Kansas, Dodge City, Kansas, National Weather Service, and Dodge City, Kansas has entered the severe thunderstorm warning. Will be near Offerly, Kansas, around 2:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And so this is going to be bring hail. Like I said, hail greater than almost up to 1 inch and wind 60 mile an hour wind gusts here. And as I put it in motion here, you can see it moving toward the south and east here. And there's a little outflow boundary here, also bringing that wind, as you can see here, heading through Charleston, Dodge City, Ford on the western northwest side of this system here. A little outflow boundary you can see there as it makes its way into Dodge City metroplex area, heading toward Greensburg. Watch out, Coldwater, Kansas, and there's an hour or two to be on top of you guys. Now, flash flood warnings. Colorado, we have flash flood warning for Garfield and Rio Blanco counties. Considerable damage here. This is in southwestern Colorado toward I-70 and Glenwood Springs and the canyons there. And I'll just zoom out here so you can get a better idea of your bearings here. Just west of the Great Continental Divide here. And that's where we had that flash flood warning. 36 minutes Mountain Daylight Time is extended to 2:15 Mountain Daylight Time for central Garfield and central Rio Blanco counties in western Colorado there. Life-threatening flash flooding. You want to take precautions, turn around, don't drown. Thunderstorms are producing flash flooding. Flash flooding is ongoing here, and they report debris flows across County Road 5 there. County Road 5 has debris flows there in the canyon there. And this is in, once again, Rio Blanco County, and also flash flood warning for central Rio Blanco County and central Garfield counties there, just north of 70 in Glenwood Springs and Rifle, Colorado here, as these storms continue to produce heavy torrential rain here in the canyons and the mountainous areas in western Colorado here once again here. So we have those flash flood warnings also in Arizona and Mojave, the same area we have that area of concerned weather. Now, we have marine warnings out here for Jupiter, Juno Beach, from West Palm Beach Gardens up towards Port St. Lucie here, just off the shore, maybe about 20 to 40 nautical miles here off the shore for winds. About 33 nautical miles northeast of Hobe Sound Beach, 17 nautical miles east of Jupiter Inlet here. Like I said, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. If you're doing any boating in this area, lightning strikes are also there as well. You can expect wind gusts in excess of that, 34 knots, like again, and also lightning strikes are there too. Make sure you're wearing a life jacket if you're on board out here doing some deep sea fishing out there in the area. Some storms again continuing to pop down here off of Lake Worth Beach, Lantana down I-95, Dania Beach, Boynton Beach, Delray Beach, Boca Raton, all these areas seeing these showers. This is going to continue to be unsettled weather down here through Miami, as we continue to have this kind of boundary here that's producing these showers all along the area there out there. So that's why we have those special marine warnings there in the tropical Atlantic and the Caribbean for these areas here noted off of Jupiter Inlet Bay and Hobbs Sound Bay there. As you can see those storms there. May drop a water spout 2 at a time. You never know. It's farther out there, a little further out, but this is further out. So this we have going on here. And then there's one severe thunderstorm warning way up in Canada here. This is in northern Ontario province here, way up here and closer to the Ottawa area here, north of Montreal, up in the St. Lawrence Valley here, way north up here along the St. Lawrence Valley here. There's a severe thunderstorm warning in Canada. But elsewhere, that's all we have going on as far as the severe thunderstorm warnings, watches, and warnings. Thank you for joining me on this Sunday edition. Please be sure to subscribe and like the channel. I'll see you on the next episode. Blessings.